Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
7 idioms and expressions associated with word blue. Like and subscribe to the channel. Out of the blue. Meaning, something happening unexpectedly or without warning. Examples: he called me out of the blue after years of no contact. He decided to quit his job out of the blue, shocking everyone in the office. Feeling blue. Meaning, to feel sad or downhearted. Examples: she's been feeling blue since she lost her job. She's been feeling blue ever since her best friend moved away. Once in a blue moon. Meaning, something that happens very rarely. Examples: we go to the beach only once in a blue moon. She visits her hometown once in a blue moon since she moved abroad. Blue blood. Meaning, refers to someone of noble or aristocratic heritage. Examples: they claim to have blue blood because their ancestors were royalty. The town's mayor loves to boast about his blue blood ancestry, dating back to medieval times. True blue. Meaning, describes someone who is loyal or trustworthy. Examples: he's true blue and would never betray his friends. If you're looking for loyalty, you can count on a true blue ally like her. Blue collar. Meaning, refers to working-class individuals, often those in manual labor jobs. Example: many blue-collar jobs require specialized skills, such as welding or carpentry. Until you're blue in the face. Meaning, to try or argue something tirelessly, without success. Example: you can explain it until you're blue in the face, but he won't change his mind. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications,